Today I'm going to show you how to make a vendor inactive in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, deleting a vendor usually means making them inactive. This removes the vendor from your active list, but keeps their past transactions in your records. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the left side menu, click Expenses. Then, select Vendors. This opens your vendor list. Find the vendor you want to remove from the active list. On the right side of that vendor's row, click the drop-down menu. Select Make Inactive. QuickBooks will show a confirmation message. Review the vendor name to make sure you selected the correct one. Then, click Yes, Make Inactive. The vendor will no longer appear in your active list. Their transaction history will still remain in QuickBooks for your records and reports. If you ever need to use that vendor again, you can reactivate them later. And that's how to make a vendor inactive or delete a vendor from your active list in QuickBooks Online in 2026.